How to get $50 Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Uber coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of this website, you can easily get working coupon code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one website. Grab on. You can also check out this one website. After you open it, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. You can see that 25% off, 50% off, 20% cashback, and many more. You can hit towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on the offer. So I have selected $25 off, and here's the code for it. Now I have to copy this code and click on continue to store. You will be directed to the official website of Uber. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. Just scroll and check out. The process is exact same to use any of these offers. Likewise, lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Uber. This way you can easily get $50 working Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.